morning, guys. How you guys doing? Thank you for watching. We've only done 2 videos, but I think it's gone very well. Thank you for the feedback and the views and the likes and all of that. I'm gonna take you guys on a little trip with me today. Something I haven't told you guys about me is I am a drummer. Started playing drums when I was 9 years old, and I've been doing it since then. So it's been 20 something years already. It's gone very well for me as a drummer. You know, I've done a lot of things. Now I'm a little more calm on that. You know, I don't do much. I mean, I still play. Before the whole pandemic started, I did play drums every weekend, different bands, you know, local bands, all of that. And I do have a Sunday morning gig, which is at a church down in Fort Lauderdale. As you know, I am in Miami, Florida, and we're gonna go. I'm gonna take you guys with me over there. I hadn't been going over there for the past, probably, I would say, I don't know, probably 7 or 8 weeks since all of this started. So they decided they wanted to go ahead and reopen already now, which is it's a great thing. I miss those guys over there a lot. I have a lot of good friends over there and a lot of musician friends. So we're gonna start this video with that, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Like I said, I haven't been over there in a couple weeks. So we're starting today, and I wanted to bring you guys with me so you see what it is, another part of my life and what I do. And here we go. Today, the weather is not too good. Miami, Florida weather. You know whoever lives in Miami, you know how that is. Today, it's been raining since last night, and the weather is pretty bad. I wanted to show you guys. Check it out. The weather is pretty bad. You know, but you got to a point where you get used to it, I guess, if you live in South Florida. So I'll take you guys along with me. Here we go, guys.
Guys, today we're doing a video, as you could see, and now my mom is gonna talk.
Hi guys, so it's early in the morning and it's raining outside, so we decided to do some mask, one for your hair and the other one for your face, correct? And can
we
you
just
explain
made it, and we made it with avocado. We just saw a video to make it, and this is avocado to put on our hair, and that over there is our masks. It's gonna be a little sticky, and as you see,
what it has,
because it has
what did you put?
What is it?
Honey and oats.
And this is avocado. We just mixed it, and my mom just took it out, and now I don't know which one we're gonna do first, but I hope we're gonna do this one first.
Okay, let's do it.
So after 20 hours,
we're gonna go into the shower.
if you could see if you want to see like when we're done showering, and we could show you when we're drying our hair, because we're going to put a towel so you don't see like our private parts. And then we're gonna open my mom's phone again so we could go paint our nails, and we're showing you. And yeah, so
Peace out. I see you after the shower, right?
yeah.
Okay, bye.
As I said, you could watch me while my mom is drying my hair, and now she's brushing my hair again. So, what do you think of my face and my hair? You think it's a little different?
I think it's better though.
Yeah, me too, because my face looks a little more glowy.
¿Qué tal? Yo creo que sí. Hi guys, so we're on our way to do some pick up some groceries. It's raining. We're gonna try to do it fast. We left the kids home with my parents-in-law. As well, I have to pick up some stuff like makeup and from Ulta. It's not a sponsor, of course. And I'm gonna do this new thing, and it's curbside, I believe is the name, right? Let's see. You're coming with us. Bye. Guys, let's do it. So we're gonna do some carbonara. We're not chefs, but we're gonna do it our style. Curry is cutting some bacon right now. Ivana is cutting some garlic. We get as well some fresh pasta, right? We already put the water to boil. And Savannah, what are you gonna do?
So today I'm gonna help my mom, and as you can see, my sister and my brother are cooking right now. And I'm gonna help them too, and my mom, because of course
It's a lot of things to do.
Yeah. And for now, I'm just gonna let you see the food.
So guys, it's a crab. We already have it. We're gonna enjoy it now. Right guys?
Yeah.
Sobre todo tú, you love it.
Yeah.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Next week we're gonna try to go to the beach and you're coming with us. Please like and subscribe and we see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.